Alright, it's been a while since I've had an update, but I did get the whole front end pulled apart. I've been prepping the inside of the engine bay for a while. I finally got it primed today. Alright, it's been a while since I've had an update, but I did get the whole front end pulled apart. I've been prepping the inside of the engine bay for a while. I finally got it primed today, so that way I can start getting the black in over the next few days. But it's all primed again. I'm just waiting for paint. Sorry I haven't had more time to update between work and home. I've had a lot going on. But before I do forget, I also got the headlight covers out and got them painted. I thought I was recording me actually painting them, but apparently my camera stopped recording and I hadn't been paying attention. But I got the first coat. You can see I still have a little bit I got to do along the edges and along the bottom edge here, but got the first coats on them so that those will be done, and then yeah, I'll be able to start getting ready for my motor. So that's the update that I've got right at this exact moment. But because I've already got the front end torn apart, I do also have my fenders and my front bumper that I'll be able to start prepping for paint. And then I'm hoping to get some information on where I can get some block work done, just to find out if it's worth rebuilding this particular block. I've got pretty much 2 motors in parts sitting here to see if it would be worth putting one good one back together. So if you know anywhere that does block work, decking, cleaning, that type of stuff, let me know, because I would love to get some information. So thanks again for keeping up on this journey with me, and I look forward to the next one. Bye. So the weather ended up holding out today, so I just went ahead and painted it today. It's not perfect by any means, but it does the job. And for a car that's not going to be a show car or anything, I think the black, this is just a first coat, but the black is going to look pretty good. I intend to do green accents with it, so I think it'll work well. But there it is.